Hi everyone! Today we're going to be making DIY makeup remover wipes made from all natural ingredients that will keep your skin healthy and glowing. First, we'll use 1 tablespoon of alcohol-free witch hazel. Witch hazel is often used as a natural skin remedy because of its wide range of benefits. It cleans and tightens your pores, which prevents acne-causing bacteria from entering. Second, we'll use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil can really help keep your skin moisturized, and it's great for breaking down makeup. Third, we'll include half a cup of distilled water. Water is super hydrating, and using distilled water will increase the quality and lifespan of your wipes because it doesn't contain any substances or bacteria. Fourth, we'll use some essential oils. We'll put 2 drops of lavender essential oil, which, aside from its great smell, it detoxifies and moisturizes the skin, and it prevents wrinkles. We'll also use 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, which we're going to use because of its antibacterial properties that can help preserve the wipes a little longer. Lastly, we'll just need a mason jar and organic cotton pads. I used half of the cotton pads here, so approximately 40 of them. Also, make sure your jar has a lid so the cottons don't end up drying out. Now, we'll just mix everything together and put it in the jar. I recommend you make a batch that will last you a week or 2, because after that your wipes may go bad. But using tea tree essential oil and distilled water versus regular water should help expand their lifespan. When you're done, just make sure all the cottons have absorbed your mix and you're ready to go. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup here just to show you how great these wipes are. I used 2 cotton pads, one for my face and one for my eyes. Not only is my face super clean after, but it honestly feels so great and moisturized. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Happy cleaning!